have an adorable project to show you featuring a lot of really fantastic products from La La Land Crafts. So it is a 4.5 by 6.5 mini album with a 2-inch spine. Super cute. For the front here, I used the adorable Molli with camera, and I just colored her up with my Copic markers. And then here is the cute little hot air balloon. This is the die that I used there, hot air balloon. And then for my sentiment, I used the Hippos in Paradise set, and I used the Vacation Here I Come. And to cut it out, I used one of the flags dies from them as well, and I just absolutely love it. For the bike and the papers here, and the papers through the album, I used the Hello Life paper pad, and as soon as I saw this paper pad, I just knew that I wanted to make an album with it. The bike is right here, and I just fussy cut it out of the paper. And with the paper, you get 24 double-sided sheets, and you get 2 of each. And what I love about it is just such nice, thick quality paper. I really love it. So let's get inside the album. So starting on the inside front cover here, I used the double-stitched chevron die to create the pocket, the shape of the pocket here. And then I also used it to cut out some of these extra chevrons to put on there just to kind of match it. So this is the negative that it cuts, and then these are the positives, I guess you would call them. I'm not positive of that. Anyways, so we can just put anything in there. Photo mats, tags, anything like that can go in there. It's a nice size pocket. And then here on page 1, I used the fancy bracket die here. So this is the fancy bracket die. It comes with a second one that's a little bit smaller, and I just used it to create this shape, and I use this die a lot through the book. So it just opens up like this, and I have a magnetic closure here for it. And then like this, you can put a photo here and some journaling here, whatever you'd like. And then page 2 just has kind of a just beautiful matting with the paper from the collection. And then page 3, I used the vertical pocket. So this is the vertical pocket here to create 2 pockets here. And I used one of the large stitch tags dies to put these cute little tags in here. Very sweet. And then over here I used one of the double stitched circles right here, and then this heart. And I'm not absolutely positive which die set the heart comes with, but I will link it below, whichever die set the heart comes with, because I know it comes with a specific die set, but I'll put that link below. And then for these 2 little pieces here, I just again used the chevron die, but I just used half of it. So I just cut it down and I just used half of it, and I just love that. And look how beautiful this paper is. I just love it. All right, and then for page 4, I guess, I used again that fancy bracket die right here to cut this shape. So basically it's such a versatile die, because you would almost not think that this one and this one is even the same die, but here it just cuts this, like with just this much width, and then here it cuts that much, right? And then for my pattern paper, I just cut that down 1/4 inch all the way around, and then I just cut it again, and it mats beautifully in there. And again, this is just the pattern paper. And then it just opens up like that, and you can put a photo here, and again, some journaling there if you'd like. So for here, I again used the chevron die, but I just used it to cut just this shape here. So it gave me the negatives. And again, I did the same thing with the pattern paper. I just cut it down and cut it again, just slightly smaller than my paper. And then again, that has a magnetic closure. And then here I use the vertical pocket, or sorry, the horizontal. The other one's the vertical. This is the horizontal pocket. And I just use that right here. And then I just cut it again with the pattern paper, and then I just trimmed it all the way around so I'd have a nice border there. So super cute little page there. And then for the last page, I used the camera die. For the life of me, I cannot find it, but it will be linked below, so you can pick it up for yourself if you'd like. And what I did is I only glued down half my heart so that it could go into this chevron pocket here. And to create the chevron pocket, what I did is I took my pattern paper, so again, that cute bike one, and I cut it out of there first where I wanted it. And then when I glued it on, I only glued the 4 edges. I didn't glue anything in the middle so that things can actually go in here, and then the cute little heart comes out as a little stopper there. So I just love that. So here again, I used the same die, that fancy bracket die right here, and I used it to create my pocket. So I did my pocket first, and then I cut the top of it with this. So there is another pocket back here where we again can put photos or tags, inserts, anything we'd like can go in there. And then I used one of our banner dies as well, and I will link that below. So a super cute album, comes together very quickly. I just loved playing with all the different fun products from La La Land Crafts and coloring up the sweet Molly. So I just absolutely love this project. Please comment below, tell me what you like about it. I would love to hear from you. And again, all the links to the products I used will be in the comment section below. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.